Peace Divines. Welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can be notified of more videos. And today, as you can see in the title, I am making a juice, and this juice is good for hydration. It has antioxidants. It's good for our heart health. It's good for digestive support, immune boost. And as always, I will be sure to leave more information and tips in the description. And the ingredients that I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be using some celery, and I'm going to be using some grapefruit. I'm also going to be using some apples, and I'm going to be using some ginger. I'm also going to be using some kale, and I'm going to use some beets, and I am going to add some fennel as well. And as always, I am using my Nama J2 juicer, and be sure to follow your manufacturer's instructions for your particular juicer. Okay, so now I'm going to put the ingredients into the juicer, and I am going to take some of the kale. I'll add a little more kale, and I'm going to take some of the grapefruit and some of the apples and some of the fennel. I'll just put the piece of ginger in there now. I'm using a big piece of ginger. And I'm going to take some of the celery and put it in. I'll add some more apple. I like to fill it up. Okay, now we are going to juice this up. Okay, and so that was a good 10 ounces. So now we're going to add more to the juicer. And again, I'm going to take a good handful of the kale. And I'm going to take some grapefruit and some apples. And some more fennel, and some beets, and some celery. Okay, put some more apple in there. We're gonna juice this up again. Okay, so let's see how much juice this made. Okay, and so it looks like this made so far about 25 ounces. And so I'm going to put the last bit of fruit and vegetables in this, and then we are going to try it. Okay, and that is it. Let's see how much juice it made. Okay. It turned out a nice burgundy red. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see. So here we have, and It filled up all the way to 35 ounces. And so now we're going to smell grapefruit and ginger. They dominate the most. Oh my goodness. Juice, it just like invigorates me so much. Okay, so now I strained it, and again we're going to go over what this juice consists of. We have kale, we have celery, we have beets, we have ginger, we have apple, we have grapefruit. And so now we're going to try it. Okay. So it definitely has a sweetness to it. And I can taste the grapefruit and the ginger. I like it. I definitely think even if you just started out juicing, you would like it as well. But I definitely like it. There'll probably be some things I tweak, you know, it just depends on what ingredients I'm using and just how I decide how much of each ingredient, but I definitely like it a lot. And as always, Divines, I love my Divines. And as always, I want you to be well, be true to yourself. Peace, Divines. I definitely like it. I like it. I like it a lot. You know, I knew it would be kind of interesting with the grapefruit and the beet and all of that, but I like it. And be sure to check out my other juicing recipes. Peace, Divines.